Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. By Napoleon Hill. What does that really mean? But first, be sure to like the video and subscribe up above in order to get more videos just like this. And of course, any thoughts, comments, and ideas you have, I would love to hear them. Please leave them down below. But back to one of my favorite quotes. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it will or could achieve. All by Napoleon Hill, one of my greatest mentors. I love his work. I study his books religiously on a regular basis. Law of Success, it's about this thick, this big. We did about an 8-month book study on it last year. Love the book and dissected every single section. And today I want to take a moment and just dissect, what does that quote itself mean? Well, first off, there's three main words: conceive, believe, achieve, right? Conceive, so the creative ability to come up with the idea. If you can have the idea, you're one step closer to achieving. But there's a word in the middle, and that, this is the one I really wanted to focus on, because in most cases, and I have a story for you in just a moment, in most cases, it's the second word that stops people from ever acting. Have you ever had a great idea? Do you know someone who's had a great idea and they've never actually acted on it, no matter how great the idea was? It's like, man, that is perfect for you. You should do that. Go, take action. And they sat on the couch. Because if you don't believe you can do it, how are you ever going to get the confidence and the motivation to act on it? I was reading another book. It's another book study I'm doing with one of my clients out in, I think it's out in Texas. We're doing Exactly What to Say, I believe it's called, by, I want to say Phil Jones, something like that. Magic Words. Type in magic words into Google, you'll find it. And it was talking about how the only way people get motivated, and I'm going to go more into this on another day, but the only way to motivate someone to take action is if they actually believe that the action they take is realistic, that it's possible, that the outcome they visualized actually has a chance of being achieved. Right? So not only do you have to have the idea, but you have to believe that the idea is realistic, that it's possible for you to get there. And once you believe it, only then can you start working towards achieving it. So where does this come from? Well, I had a client meeting this morning, one of my great student of mine here in my hometown. I won't name names though. And I was talking to him, and he didn't quite hit his sales goal. At least he thought he did, but we ran into some troubles. About 20,000 disappeared. So what did we do? Well, I put him under pressure in a good way, very, very nicely, but that's my job as a coach. Push, get you to achieve your goals, push further, create the plan, adapt to the plan. Remember, it's define, accelerate, profit. That's my motto, right? So we defined our goal, we accelerated the action, got him taking action. A hiccup happened, 20 grand disappeared. So I got on the phone, he was freaking out, his head's going a little nuts, popping all over the place, little voice going insane. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to liquidate this, I'm gonna have to do that. So I just said, stop. All you have to do is come up with 200 grand, put it into the front of your funnel by Monday, and we'll be fine. Think about that. I just challenge you, 200 grand by Monday, put it in the front of your funnel. Can you do it? Your head going nuts? Do you believe it's possible? And of course, he was going through the same thing. So I just asked questions, kept him going. I'm not asking you to make 200 grand by Monday. I'm asking you to be creative, conceive an idea, and believe that you can do it. Believe that if you open your mind, you just might find a secret, or you might see an opportunity or a chance to make it possible. To fill in upwards of $250,000 into the front end of your funnel. And you know what? By asking those questions and just calming his mind and really focusing on that second word, the believe part, that it is possible, and showing the different times in the past, how he's come up with even wilder ideas and made them work out, all because he believed in himself and kept that open mind and kept just using the creativity to conceive that idea. And 2 hours later, bam, 5 contacts, 2 ideas, everything's set. It's not even Monday yet, and he's already got a plan in place, ready to go, actions to be taken, and another chance to achieve his goal. And who knows, maybe it'll just happen. So what goal do you have in place? What idea do you have in mind that maybe you just need a little bit more belief to back up your action? Of course, as always, leave some comments down below. I'd love to hear it. What is your obstacle? What is your challenge? I'll be more than happy to respond. Maybe we have an idea. Maybe I'll ask the right question. Let's see if we can fill your funnel, achieve your goals, or get those dreams to become true or become reality. Of course, if you like the video or you feel that there's someone you know who should hear this, be sure to comment down below, tag them, share the video onto their Facebook or invite them to yours or their LinkedIn, whichever platform you're using. We would love to hear from you and love to help more people, as many people as I can. But until then, enjoy your day and I'll see you again soon.